Please like this video if you find it useful and subscribe to the channel. So to create AI music with Canva, let's come over here where it says apps, and we'll use the search app option. We'll search for AI music generator, and we'll be using this app here. Let's click on that. If you're going to use it in a new design, you click on using a new design, but if you're using it in an existing design, you go for that. But I'm going to click using a new design. And I'm going to select the design size or just search for what I would like to create in the search bar. But I already know the design size I want to use, which is video landscape. I'm going to click on that. The AI music generator opens. I'm going to increase the size. And up here, we're going to say what kind of music we want to generate. So you can type your prompt here. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to paste this one. I'm going to ask the AI to enhance this prompt for me. Another thing you can do is to select a music category. If you have a particular music category you want to select, you can select it from here. But me, I just like leaving mine as it is without selecting a category and allow the AI to do its magic. You're going to sign into AI music generator. So I'm going to click on sign in, and it will say connect your account. After connecting your account, so you get 2 credits to generate AI music, and this music is copyright free. We can go to the app details to see that the music we generate unique copyright free music effortlessly with AI. So you can use this music in your video and nobody's going to give you copyright strike. The maximum duration size you can generate is 20 seconds, which I will just click on generate music. You see it has added my music to my video. It added it automatically, and it also uploaded it to my music library. So if you go to uploads and come over to audio, you will see that our music is already here. You can preview it from here. This is cool. So I'm going to click on these 3 dots. If I want to use this music outside of Canva, and click on download to download this music into my device. So I'm going to save this music. But if I want to use it in the project, I'm just going to expand this so that all the music comes out. Our music is 20 seconds, so this gives us the full length of it, and continue creating your video. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.